Introducing Phasm, the one light that does it all. Phasm is the first camera light with so many options that fits in the palm of your hand. We wanted to create an illuminator that solves more of our needs at once. Phasm is a full spectrum light that packs a powerful punch with ultimate control. Whether you need infrared for night vision, ultraviolet, various colors, or all of those at the same time in a stunning blanket of light, Phasm does it all. Easily adjust to the scene with full control over the settings and display on the back. Powered by a long-lasting rechargeable battery, you'll have hours of light already, or plug it in for unlimited use. But versatility doesn't end here. Phasm was designed with a unique mounting system centered around flexibility. It's built to mount onto standard tripods and brackets, and that's where standard ends. Because Phasm is also forged with magnetic power for mounting ease. Just pop the light onto anything metal or snap multiple lights together to create a beastly stack of illumination. Phasm offers full control over all the light you'll need. See it all, go anywhere with Phasm Light. For more information, go to www.ghoststop.com/Phasm.